In today's video, we continue on with our image setup. But before we get started, make sure that you have watched part 1 of this image series, as I won't be covering the installation in this video. Next item we're going to cover is connecting our phones to Immich so we can back up images directly from our phone into our Immich server, bypassing the need for Google or iCloud or any of that stuff. All right, first thing you're going to do, this is an Android device. Obviously, if you're using an iPhone, you'll have to go to the App Store for your iPhone. But I'm going to open up the Play Store. I'm going to search for Immich. You'll find it there. I'm going to tap Install to get it installing. Once it's installed, go ahead and tap Open to open it up. All right, for the server endpoint URL, this is going to be the IP address of your Immich server. I'm only using this internal. For now, we're just going to do internal setup. So you'll put in HTTP, then colon, // the IP address for your server. In this case, for me, it's 10.0.0.11, a colon, and then it's going to need the port number, which for me is 8086. Make sure you put in your port number and your server IP address here. Once you've got those in, hit next. Then what's the account email and password for your Immich account? I put in my demo one here, which was demo@alientech42.com with only one T. That looks better. I'll put in the password here and then hit login. And you'll see if everything's successful, you'll see your photos just show up. Scroll down some more. There's celebrity stuff. So, yep, everything looks to be there. Good. So at this point, you can view all your photos on your Immich server from your phone, which is nice. But like I said, I want it so that my phone is automatically going to upload the files to my Immich server. So to do that, in the top right corner, we're going to tap on the little cloud. Immich is asking for permission to access your photos and videos. We want to grant that, so we're going to allow it. Next, you'll see backup albums. We need to select which albums on the phone we want to be backed up. I'm going to hit select there. If you've got other apps installed, Facebook or Instagram or anything like that, Snapchat, they're all going to have the option for photos listed there. If you do recent, it should pretty much cover everything, anything that was added to the phone. If you don't want that and you just want to do the camera photos only, then you can just select camera there and just use that. I'm going to do recent. You've also got the option here to sync albums. I'm not going to choose that option. I'm going to back up. In the top left corner, you've got the back arrow. I'm going to select that. Now, if you read down here, the first option is backup albums, and it says what's been selected, recent, so all of the photos. Total is all the unique photos and videos from the selected location. In this case, there's 8. How many have been backed up? 0. Remainder, there's 8 remaining. At the bottom, you've got uploading file info, and that is basically showing you the status of what's being uploaded as we speak. So at this point, we could just hit start backup at the very bottom down here, and that would just back everything up to the server. But that's a manual process, and who likes to do everything manually? Let's automate it. Hello, Jeff here. I just wanted to jump in real quick to give you some important information. I wanted to say thank you to everyone that has subscribed to the AlienTech42 channel, as you have pushed us over 10,000 subscribers. As a way of saying thank you, I'm giving away 5 6-month subscriptions to Private Internet Access VPN and 10 Unraid Unleashed licenses. I'd also like to thank PIA and Unraid for sponsoring this giveaway. Here are the basic rules. There's no purchase necessary. The contest will run from June 1st, 2025 until June 15th, 2025. The winners will be drawn at random and will be notified by email. Any prizes not claimed within 30 days after the drawing ends will be considered abandoned and re-entered into the drawing for a new winner. To enter this giveaway, visit the blog section of the alientech42.com website. Full rules are listed within each blog post on the giveaway. Thank you everyone for the support, and good luck. Now back to the video. All right, to automate it, let's go up to the top here. We'll scroll back up. There'll be a gear in the top right corner. Go ahead and tap that gear. Then you've got 2 different options here. We've got automatic foreground backup and automatic background backup. The foreground backup means that the application needs to be open. I don't want to be bothered to have to open it. I just want to do everything automatically. So I'm going to do the automatic background backup. It's currently off. I'm going to go ahead and turn that on. So tap turn on background service. It gives you a battery optimizations warning. Go ahead and hit OK. Now we've got a couple different options here. One, you can only back up. It's already working. Look at that. Stuff's popping in. One option is you've got only on Wi-Fi, which I prefer that method. That way I'm not using up all my mobile data. And then the other option is only while charging. I like to do that as well. If I've got a lot of photos, I want to make sure that the battery is not running out and it's not using unnecessary power that it doesn't need to. So I'm going to turn that on. Delay new assets backup for 5 seconds. That's adjustable. Change it to whatever you'd like. I leave it at 5. I think it's fine. So I'm going to back up here. And as you can tell, total there, backup is 0, remainder is 8. I've got it set for only powered, so let me power it up real quick. Grab my Volta charger deal. Have you ever seen these things? It's kind of amazing. Little tiny magnet guy, magnetic end, but this sucker is like, just get it even close and it just wants to go right to it. It's kind of nice. Love these things. I have an affiliate link for those if you want to check them out. I'll leave it in the description as well. Normally you would wait your 5 seconds and they start backing up. It's already done it though. It did it while I was setting it up. You can see that they're right here in the top part here. So I did one of the dog, just random things I took a few minutes ago. A little whirly thing out there. This is a video. Doing the screen recording as well, so it's probably taxing a little bit. I'm gonna get out of that. Just a static image of it. Just some random stuff. My printer, a couple of the servers. That's pretty much it. It just works. It's really simple to set up. Works great. Now at this point, if you want to disable your Google Cloud or your iCloud backup option, then you could probably do that because it's going to keep it all backed up to your image server. It's pretty fantastic. All right, so that was my main things I wanted to cover. Setting up the account on your phone to automatically back things up. Fantastic thing. Saves you a lot of time. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you'd like to support the channel directly, consider becoming a Patreon. Patreon members get direct access to me on Discord, early access to my videos, and they are both ad and sponsor free. The link is down in the description. Until then, check out one of these next. And I'll see you in the next one.